Hello. No. Good day.
Hello, Kevin.
Hello, Pat.
Kevin,
Yes?
what is that?
An invitation.
An invitation?
Yes. Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye, Kevin.
Hey. How you doing? Hey, how... No. How's life?
Hiya! Kevin, what are you doing?
I'm writing an invitation.
Oh, that's nice. An invitation for what?
It's a secret. Goodbye. How's life?
What? Okay. Bye for now.
Take care. See you soon. Oh, thank you for your...
What's up? Have you finished writing the invitation?
Not yet.
Can I read it?
Well,
Oh, please, Kevin.
it's not ready yet. It's very difficult to write an invitation.
I can help you. I'm an expert at writing invitations.
Really?
Let me see what you have.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, good day, pool party. See you there. Thank you for your time.
What do you think?
Well, where is the party?
At my house,
Okay, what day and time?
Friday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Do your guests have to bring anything?
Yes, a bathing suit, a towel, and a change of clothes.
Okay, is there going to be food?
Yes, food for everyone. Vegans, vegetarians, people with allergies.
Okay, great. So you need to include all of that information into the invitation.
Oh! Okay.
Hello, everybody. I want to invite you to a pool party at my house. It will take place this Friday from 5 to 8 p.m. Please bring a towel, your bathing suit, and a change of clothes. We will have all kinds of snacks suitable for everyone. I hope you can make it. It will be lots of fun. See you on Friday. XOXO, Kevin. Fantastic, Kevin. Your invitation is ready.
Thank you for your help, Pat.
No problem.
Bye.
Okay, see you around.
Oh, Pat,
Yes, Kevin?
this is your invitation.
Oh, thank you, Kevin. I love pool parties. Oh, I can't wait for Friday. Oh, wait. Friday is tomorrow.
Yes. See you tomorrow.
Pool party, pool party, pool party, pool party, pool party. What will I wear? Pool party, pool party, pool party, pool party.